Respected all judges, the topic integration of Indian knowledge tradition in national education policy. With the expansion of modern states, the scope of national education policy in all over the states of our country India, the integration of Indian knowledge tradition, seems to have occupied the pivotal position in our country. It is gaining renewal focus through India's National Education Policy 2020, which aims to integrate the rich traditional knowledge into mainstream education to provide holistic learning, holistic approach and address contemporary issues. I am drawing your attention on the key aspects of Indian knowledge tradition. Holistic approach. It provides to understand and solve problems by incorporating ancient wisdom with contemporary knowledge and global perspectives. We are proud to follow that particular silent features. Then science and technology. Our ancient great traditional scientific method to create the innovative spirit among the students. It is being implemented now to develop the understanding capacity among the students. Medicine, traditional systems like Ayurveda, which gave the roots of remedy for all kinds of disease and its proper management, its proper treatment. Philosophy and spirituality really is integrated in our education to create the all-around development and brighten the pathway for the vision of our life very clearly and develop the real theme for the purpose of our life, for the purpose of education. Arts and literature, it reflects the real vision of our education, which is mirror for our society to establish the civility and traditional ideal society again in our country India. Our cultural heritage, we never forget our cultural heritage. This is an X factor to articulate the culture and civilization. The Indian traditional knowledge, that's the real theme of our aim to develop the attentive capacity towards our traditional culture among the students, where the modern education regulated with the Indian knowledge tradition very properly. The national education policy emphasizes the importance of Indian knowledge tradition into the curriculum to provide among the students with more complete and refined contextualized education. Goals of Indian knowledge tradition in the national education policy with respect to the modern context, modern era, wisdom of ancient India to solve the current social challenge. It played a vital role to portray the society in a very positive way, where we will be integrated very strongly with our ethics and ancient ideal social terms and policy. Promotion of Indian cultural and traditional intellectual heritage to foster, yes, to foster a balanced and holistic approach for learning and life, to bridge the gap between traditional knowledge and modern scientific thought, really promoted the all-around development to students in various ways of their opportunities increases day by day. The Indian knowledge traditional bonded to students for their strong identity to grab the opportunities on the basis of their skills and continuity by connecting them to their cultural heritage, where we will live in our society very positively with brotherhood and unity. Global competitiveness, here present all respected dignities, global competitiveness, to enhance global competitiveness indigenous knowledge with modern scientific and technological advancement. Nowadays, our ancient Gurukul system, which is adopted and applied in the education, where teachers and students bonded for innovation to get the right knowledge, for right skills and opportunities. Being as an Acharya, we are committed to explore the traditional ways of teaching techniques among the students for developing their understanding capacity and remove the Western ways of our lifestyle and daily activities to frame an ideal society through the education. Then other things like as to frame an ideal personal hygiene also for being an ideal personality, character of the society through the education. Some important factors of our Indian traditional knowledge, holistic development. This is just like an all-around development. Multidisciplinary approach. It consists yoga, medicine, mathematics, arts and literature, ethics, modern science and humanities, cultural presentation, India's diverse cultural heritage fostering national pride and community, critical thinking, innovation and creative development have concerned very clearly. Implementation and mechanisms, clarification of all subjects and implemented in various schools for the betterment of the students who must be strong, dedicated and talented. Teacher-student model, Guru and Sisya Parampara, language initiatives in which all kinds of traditional ways, local, national and international language have been included to develop the self-reliance in the current competitive world, public engagement, research and innovation. At last, I am drawing your attention on the conclusion and X factor, root factors of the integration of Indian knowledge tradition in national education policy. Indian knowledge tradition always fruitful to the all women who cared and depended with the visual real form of knowledge. We are required to obey the silent features of the Indian knowledge tradition and apply the same method to create the understanding capacity of the students in the class. We, the Acharya of Vidya Bharati, must be fortunate that our traditional ways, ethics, culture, our ideal teaching methods, Panchpadi, which included into national education policy, structural, spiritual, organizable, constructive development. Now these all can be possible. These all can be possible to transfer the right traditional knowledge to each and every students in the class. The more you learn, the more you shine, the more you strong, the more you dedicated and honest with duty in the era of teaching, which became a golden part of our education in India. Undoubtedly, we can say that the integration of Indian knowledge tradition worked and reflected like as a ray of the morning sun into the national education policy. The future of integration of Indian knowledge tradition in the national education policy is as bright as morning sun. Thank you all of you.